how to change the language of Dialora platform. What exactly it means is whatever you see on the left side dashboard, agents, context, everywhere, right? I mean, the one that you see every string value on the platform, how exactly it needs to be changed to a different language. Why this is needed and very much important. This platform is majorly oriented to agency white label solution being used by a lot of different agencies. So we keep getting a lot of requirements. Hey, can we change a different language because our customers are in Germany, our customers are in Italy, our customers are in French. How exactly needs to fill a native language voice AI platform? Perfect. So we thought like this is definitely a deeper use case that can help feel it's very much local native language. So we have implemented this particular feature with multiple language. Perfect. So when you log in, you will see a change language button on the right side. So you need to click on this particular your profile button and then click the change language. Once you click on the change language, it will open a pop-up asking for which language you want to choose. So let's say I click on French. Now, the whole platform is now a French language. Now, the question is what exactly it has changed. Now, you can see any string on the platform is with the language of French. Now, the question arises is I'm an agency user. How can I change the language to my customer? Now, let me change it to the agency dashboard. So while I click on this, you can see while adding your new user, you can change the language. So let's say I'm onboarding one of my customer based in Italy, based in like Spain. I can select Spain. If one of my customer is based in Italy, I can select Italian language. It's similar like goes Hindi for the India, German for Germany, and similar like different languages. And then once you kind of add the sub account, that's how it goes on. Perfect. And that's how it works. Let me kind of change it to my own workplace. And I change the language back to English. Now everything will be in English. Let's change it to German. So like exactly you know how it looks. So this is how the platform looks in Germany. Now the question is you have already selected or your custom or if you as an agency you have selected a specific language for your customer, can your customer change that? Yes, they can change that. They just need to select from the profile, change language, go back to their own specific language or default as the English language. Perfect. So that's how the change of the language for Dialora platform works. If you do have any further question, happy to answer. Thank you.